Hey everyone, and welcome back to Exploring Dirt. Today we are headed up to Greenstone Fire Lookout. We've never been there before, and this is our first fire lookout of the year, so we're really looking forward to it. So far, pretty easy road, just a little drive in the country, but we're not heading up the mountain yet. Not really sure what to expect. We did hear it's a pretty easy trail, but the biggest thing is getting up to the top and checking out those views. So stay tuned, and we're hoping to get some good drone footage as well up there. So stick with us. And for those of you that have already subscribed, thank you so much for supporting us. If you haven't already subscribed, please don't forget to go down and click that subscribe button. Really helps us out. We really appreciate your support. Anyway, we're going to go and enjoy the drive. There is a beautiful little creek beside us over there. That was Dan. I pointed the wrong way. Nope, now that's us. I'm not good at this. You can cut that part out. And then later, before we head back to the campsite, we have heard about this amazing taco place in Cache Creek. So that's what we're going to have for dinner. Looking forward to it.
Can't wait to check that out. I love tacos. Very much.
Should be a fun day. We had a fire that went through here a few years ago, right? This part doesn't look like it really hit it. Look at all the brush. It's beautiful.
Well, it's definitely easier than the Shoe Lake road we were on.
A nice drive in the country up the mountain.
So we're a little ways up. Hasn't been too bad of a drive. It's actually a pretty easy road overall. Yeah, nothing really to report. Very pretty in here though, very green. So hopefully, I don't know how far up it is, but so far so good. We're getting to the steeper and steeper as we go and more switchbacks now, but yeah, pretty good so far. So we just got a glimpse of the fire lookout as they're coming around the corner. So we're getting close now. We're probably, I don't know, 10 kilometers up or so. I don't believe the signs at all. Huh. But there's a glimpse of it there, so here we go. It's exciting. I love seeing the fire lookouts when you first come up to them, especially for the first time. Always really neat. Over there. Interesting. Which means there's a lake over there too. How's it called? Dominion Lake, I think it said?
Yeah.
Interesting.
There's a lot of lakes up here.
It's a great area.
It really is.
I've never been up here before. It's kind of cool to find all these extra lakes and rec sites. And as per normal, you get to the top of the mountain, it's always windy.
Always.
Ooh, and chilly. That's a chilly wind.
Yeah, it dropped another degree. We're down to 15 now.
Yeah, not that that's cold.
Well, it was 24 at the bottom of the hill.
Yes, that's true. So this is the second fire, or it's actually the third fire lookout we've been to. Because we've been to Mount Begbie and the Goat Peak as well.
And Buchanan.
Oh, and Buchanan.
Buchanan was awesome.
I forgot about that one. That one was really cool.
That's when we saw the forest fire.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Way over,
Remember
yeah.
that?
Yeah. Trying to find service, but it was already
It was
recorded.
kind of funny at a forest fire lookout, not looking for forest fires, but there was one.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. It must be here. Somebody's hiking. Which way do we go?
This way?
Look at that view, though.
Wow.
Look at the
Fire
mountains.
Lookout's up there.
Look at the mountains in the back.
Amazing.
That's beautiful.
Oh, look at the snow-covered mountains back there.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
Wow.
Those mountains are gorgeous back there. All right, last little leg of the journey. Hopefully, nice and easy road.
Either way.
Well, that's a chilly wind. Holy smokes. Okay, here we are, last little bit. Apparently should use 4 low. So our last little bit of the leg of the journey up to the fire lookout. We just parked the truck just right there. This is the last little bit of road. And road isn't too bad. But again, traveling by ourselves and a lot of rocks. Last thing I want is a flat tire up here. Hate to get in some sort of trouble. And it was good up till about this point here, and I'm looking at the last little leg.
Maybe if we were with somebody else.
Yeah, I mean, traveling with other people is always better just in case, right? We're not extreme 4x4 people by any means, so this is out of our wheelhouse for sure.
Jesse and Alex were with us. Jesse would just drive right up.
I guess now that I'm standing on it, it's not too bad. Oh, look at that view. Holy smokes. Back, way over there, and just over there. Karma's telling me that is towards Vancouver, where Whistler, Blackcomb, and
Garibaldi Park.
Garibaldi Park is. Yeah. Crazy. Hi. Wow. You know, you're out of shape when a little hill like that gets you. Less driving, more walking. Beautiful. Yeah, so like we said, I was wrong the first time. This is our 4th fire lookout, not our 2nd. Yeah, these are really cool. I love going to these fire lookouts. And this one they've been doing quite a bit of work on, just as of recently, so can't wait to see what they've done. Oh, there it is. Look at that big fat groundhog up there. I'm gonna go pick him up and snuggle. He's cute.
Oh, he's well fed.
Yeah. Greenstone Fire Lookout. There we go. Interesting. No plywood over the windows like storm
shutters.
Storm shutters, yeah. Awesome. All right, we're gonna go have a quick look around at that. We'll check in a few minutes. Oh, look at the view. Gorgeous. Oh, there he is. Hi. Coming to see us. How you doing, buddy?
Where is he?
Just right there.
Oh, yep.
It's like, maybe if I sit still, he won't see me. But these guys always have the best jobs up here. I mean, lonely, I'm sure, but being up here with these views in behind us all the time, like we come up here, it's like, wow, look at the view, it's so great. But these people, some people lived up here for a week or two on end. I couldn't imagine. Such lucky people. And windy. Just lost my hat.
Yeah, I almost lost my hat.
No, I can see Kamloops down there, you're right.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, let's have a look inside. Oh, it even comes with chairs. Some bunk beds.
They just put that sign up there. That's new, and then they brought this in.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that was just last weekend they brought the LED in, right?
Yeah.
Nice stove and everything in here.
Cool.
It's interesting. The ones that are maintained have so much more stuff. Like the one in where were we? The
Goat Peak?
Goat Peak. Just basically an empty shell. It had an allidated, but didn't have a bed or anything in there. Very cool.
Yeah, no storm shutters.
I'm surprised. Four-Wheel Drive Association of BC. Now that's cool. Even comes some playing cards.
Four-Wheel Drive Association.
Yeah, they're everywhere. I'm glad we're members
Awesome.
now. Cool.
Some playing cards.
Yeah, so this place is wild. Small, but really cool still. Great views. We're going to have a peek around, and yeah, we'll check back in a few minutes. Okay.
Got to put down that we were here.
Definitely do. Hi. That's crazy gorgeous. Super windy. So yeah, this is a really cool place. I'm glad we came up to see it today. Apparently, it's been here since 1918, and the Four-Wheel Drive Association of BC has been looking after it the last few years. They put quite a bit of work into it, including that alidade that was put in there just last weekend or the weekend before, I believe. Yeah, it looks really good. They've done a great job, and I really hope that they get more of them. I know they have a few, but if we can get some more to look at, taken care of, that'd be great, because this history is a part of who we are and where we came from, and it should be maintained and shared. So anyway, we're going to head down into Cache Creek and have some food here soon, so we'll catch up to you then. All right, so we just stopped at the taco stand just outside of Cache Creek, and it is so awesome and so much fun. Oh my god, these guys are a blast. Loud, like Mexican music blaring in there, and just like sauces to choose from and like toppings to choose from. That's pretty cool. Anyway, check these out. I'm gonna switch this around. Look at that. So I don't even know what's on these.
Well, we put stuff on them, but I don't know.
Well, they come with just the chicken and we got chicken and pork, and it just comes with that with sour cream inside for a little extra. But all the other toppings like the salsa and the coleslaw is all extra.
Sauces, veggies.
So I don't know. I don't even know what I put on mine, but it looks good. So hopefully it tastes as good as it looks. But we'll let you know in a second. Okay, so after some technical difficulties, I dropped my phone in the sour cream because the GoPro's in the truck. Oops. Here we are. I'm gonna try and eat this now, and it looks really good. So this one has coleslaw, sour cream, and some sort of sauce. I have no idea what it is because I couldn't read it. But wow. Oh my god. That's really good. I definitely suggest when you're coming to Cache Creek to come here. It's so good, man. Cheers. Good morning. It's a beautiful day with the beautiful Thompson River behind us. What a view. We woke up to that this morning. That's out of our campsite. You can't get any better than that.
No, birds chirping, river rushing by. It was absolutely beautiful, and our weekend is not over yet. So stay with us. We are headed to a 53 million year old lake, which is now fossil beds. We're really excited to stop there on our way home. So don't go anywhere yet. If you haven't already, please make sure you go down and click that subscribe button. We really appreciate your support. Even though it's Sunday, weekend not over yet. Lots of exciting things still to come. Stick with us.
You bet. Always something to explore. See you soon.
Hey everyone, it is warm out here. We were not expecting 12 kilometers of trail, so we're just going to do a couple of kilometers. We're going to sign off and go and enjoy the rest of our Sunday, and unfortunately have to head home and back to reality tomorrow. But I do suggest you stop by if you are ever in this area. Don't just drive past the highway. Stop and come and check it out. It is amazing to think that we're standing in a 53 million year old lake. All of these fossils are pretty cool.
It's kind of cool, absolutely. Yeah, I think we're going to come back. We might do the whole loop next time, the whole 12 kilometers.
I want to get up to those viewpoints.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. So yeah, maybe look for that video later on down the road. I don't know when that'll be, but
not anytime in August.
Not when it's hot out. In the meantime, thanks for coming and joining us in our adventure this weekend. I guess it was a whole weekend.
It's been a great weekend.
Don't forget to go down below and hit that subscribe button, like and share with your friends. It really helps us out. And
leave us a comment. If you have any other cool places you think we should go and check out, let us know. Yeah,
we love to explore. Let us know where to go. We're not running out of places by any means.
No.
But if we haven't heard of it, we'd love to hear it.
We have a laundry list, yeah.
We sure do. So anyway, cheers everybody. We'll see you next time.